All right, even as we talk of the Kanpur accident and ask for justice in the case, now news of an accident in Mumbai and a serious road accident reported from the Vidya Vihar area of Mumbai, where a speeding SUV driven by a minor hit a scooter. A husband and wife living in Ghatkopar were seriously injured in this accident and are in critical condition. In fact, this according to reports, Dhrumil Premji Patel, who's 33, and his wife Mrinal Patel were returning home on a scooter when they were hit by the speeding SUV coming from the opposite direction. As we said, it was being driven by a juvenile. The impact was so severe that both were thrown off the road and suffered serious injuries. Immediately after the accident, both injured were taken to a hospital. Police investigations have revealed the SUV was being driven by a 17-year-old, and police have filed a case not only against the minor but also against the vehicle owner and his father. Police are also investigating how the minor was allowed to drive without a license. Let's just take a look at what the family members have to say.
तो उस बारे में जानकारी लेंगे। पार्थ, क्या हुआ था पूरा मामला? उस दिन रात को जो दोनों लोग थे वो कहाँ जा रहे थे, किस तरीके का सिचुएशन हुआ और आप लोगों को कैसे पता चला?
तो वो लोग घर जा रहे थे, वो लोग बाहर गए थे फैमिली के साथ, और वहाँ से वो लोग दोनों घर जा रहे थे। घर जाते जाते ऑन द वे विद्या विहार का जो पीछे का रास्ता है वहाँ पे ये दोनों स्कूटी पे थे, और सामने से ये 17 साल का जो लड़का है ये सामने से आया, और ये अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 100 प्लस स्पीड पे था, 110, 120 के आसपास। ये सामने से आया, इसका कंट्रोल गया, इसने लेन चेंज कर दिया और ये उन लोग दोनों के उड़ा दिया। और उसके बाद कुछ वहाँ की पब्लिक थी, उन्होंने हमें हेल्प किया, उन्होंने हमें उन दोनों को हॉस्पिटल पहुँचाया और हम लोगों को कांटेक्ट किया, और जैसे ही मैं पहुँचा तो वो लोग दोनों ऑलरेडी एक क्रिटिकल सिचुएशन में थे।
Well, let's go across to Paras now for more. And Paras, we just saw you talking to the family members, the relatives of the injured couple. They are in hospital. What is the latest you can tell us on them, also about the investigations? And it's good to see that the case has also been filed against the father, because this will serve as a cautionary tale to other parents in terms of allowing or, not allowing juveniles to drive cars.
You said it pretty right, because this was very much important, as our father has been made accused in this entire matter, because without license he was allowed to drive the car, and after driving the car very rashly and very speedily, this type of incident has taken place in Vidya Vihar's area in Mumbai, where two people are in very, very serious condition. The couple is in very serious condition, as we were also speaking to the friends and the family of the person who is very, very typically injured, very much injured in this entire incident. So they were also telling us that the condition of all two people who was injured in this entire case is very much critical right now. Police has already started their investigation in this matter, but one important thing which has been done by the police is that the father has been also made an accused in this entire matter.
That's right. Thanks so much, Paras, for joining us with all those developments.